Why do 80% of people hold in their sneezes? And why should you never do it? Let's dive in. So you feel that tickle in your nose and you try to hold it in. Bad move. Sneezes are your body's natural defense mechanism. They help protect your sinuses and brain from infections by blasting out irritants. But when you hold in a sneeze, the pressure has to go somewhere. This can lead to some serious consequences. We're talking ear damage, burst blood vessels, or even a collapsed lung. Yeah, it's that serious. Think of it like this. Imagine shaking a bottle of soda and then trying to keep the cap on. Eventually, something's gotta give. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, let it out. Trust me, it's a lot safer. Plus, it's a great excuse to make some funny faces. Stay sneezy, stay healthy. And remember, your body's pretty smart. Let it do its thing.